Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have followed me or known me, you shall know that I have cleared my PLAB 1 this year in the month of May, and then I appeared for NEET PG 2025 where I secured rank of 17,000. This was my first attempt of NEET PG. So I have been asked whether it is possible to study for PLAB and NEET PG simultaneously. Now that is a very detailed explanation because first of all you need to understand how much different PLAB and NEET PG is. And the second part you need to understand, since it's all medical related, we have all studied it in MBBS, the final for first year, second year, third year, final year. How much does these topics overlap? I mean, if I have studied for PLAB, how much will it help me for NEET PG? And if I'm well prepared for NEET PG, how much is it going to apply for my PLAB examinations? I have created some detailed notes in my copy from my preparation strategy, and I want to share with you in this video. And thirdly, you need to understand the practicality of appearing for this exam simultaneously, because the timeline is very important. Because unlike NEET PG, which happens only once in a year, PLAB is actually taken in two parts, and there are many different exam slots, and it has a long story of how to book exams and all. So the practicality is most important, which I will discuss in the last part.
The basic difference between PLAB 1 and NEET PJ is PLAB 1 is more clinical oriented, which tests your problem solving capability. But NEET PG requires you to know the topic in very detailed descriptive manner. It tests your memory more than clinical. Otherwise, both are MCQ based exams. Displaying the topics that I found high yielding and overlapping in both these exams. You can either screenshot these or write it down because it helped me score in both the exams. I have arranged these topics from highest order of maximum yield, which means cardiorespiratory was the most high yield and overlapping, followed by endocrinology. These topics of pediatrics were very common in PLAB as well as NEET PG.
Okay, so those were the topics that actually overlapped for me. I mean, once I had studied them for PLAB, it was easy for me to revise them for NEET PG. I mean, I had studied for NEET PG from Marrow previously, but you can understand, like, there will be many topics that are high yielding and overlapping in both these exams. Now, the practicality is different because PLAB 2 is not held in India. Once you give your PLAB 1, it is valid for 2 years only, and you need to give your PLAB 2 within 2 years. Now, if you are pursuing NEET PG and you have already taken up a MD or DNB seat, it's very unlikely you will get a leave of 1 or 2 months to fly to UK and give your exam. So I hope it makes sense why people are not able to pursue PLAB and NEET PG simultaneously. Nevertheless, I was asked very much because people asked me how did I clear PLAB and got a good rank in NEET PG together. So I just thought of sharing this strategy and the common topics. In case you are an intern who is still confused what to do, you can at least start studying. Or if you are in the journey process, and if you, or maybe if you want to switch, you will not think that your preparation is going in vain. Okay, like whatever you studied will actually pay you off in long run. So that's it. Do subscribe and comment any thought. It will help me to understand or analyze myself as well. Thank you for watching.